Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 4.1 integers for 6th standard children. Listen children, before going to the exercise, see we will discuss that a comparison of the two numbers. Okay, listen, 4, 8. See, when I am comparing these two numbers, which is the greater here? Obviously 8 is greater. Okay, see in the integer style how I am going to say this. 4 is a positive integer and 8 is also a positive integers. Okay, when I am comparing these two, which one is greater here? 8 is the greater, which means positive 8 is greater. Okay, now listen, 4 minus 8. Now I am going to compare this, a positive integer with the negative integer. What is that greater here? 4 is a greater. Is it clear? So 4 greater, it means a greater integer is positive, a greater is positive integer. Okay, now listen, same thing, minus 2 you are comparing with the 4. Okay, which one is greater here? Positive is greater, so both the statements are same. Okay, suppose a negative integer I am comparing with the negative integer. See in this which one is a greater? Listen, here you are comparing, no, 4 is a smaller number, 8 is a greater number, is it or not? Same thing when you are comparing in the negative. Listen my dear children, 4 is a greater, that is minus 4 is a greater when compared to minus 8. Okay, so which one is greater here? Which one is a greater here? Minus 4 is a greater. Okay, when I am comparing the two negative integers, see listen, minus 4 and minus 8, so minus 4 is a greater. For example, you people know that the number line. Okay, listen, so 0. Okay, so these are the positive integers and this one is what? Negative integers. It's going on like this. For example, minus 8. See which is closer to 0 here? Which one is closer to 0? Minus 4 is closer to 0. So minus 4 is a greater number. Okay, here it is this is for the negative. See for the positive, which is far away from the 0, that is a greater number. Can you understand the concept children? Can you understand this? Now absolute value. What does mean by the absolute value? In the absolute value, the negative, if suppose a minus 2, if I am going to write in the absolute value, means the number never change, only the sign alone change. Okay, if negative means it is plus. Suppose a plus 2 absolute value, what is that answer? 2. So there is no negative value in the absolute. Is it clear children? Is it clear? So when the number never changed, only the sign, plus becomes plus only, but minus 2, if suppose I am writing minus 2 means what is the answer? Plus 2 is the answer. Minus 100, what is the absolute value of minus 100? Which is 100. Got it? So the number never change, only the sign alone change because there is no negative in this absolute value. Can you clear this children? And here in this topic we are going to discuss the ascending order, descending order. Okay, listen. Listen. Use plus or minus to represent the following. First you read the statement and then write whether it is a plus or a minus. So you know that, so just I am writing some keywords for you. Listen, above, below, up, down. Okay. Next, what is that? Add, remove. Next, add, remove. So these are the some key words. Okay. Here above means plus, below means minus. Up means plus, down means minus. Add means plus, remove means a minus. Okay. So just only the number alone write, and whether it is a positive or negative you have to write that. Okay. Now listen, forward. See, forward means, listen, I am standing here and I am moving forward. So what is this? Plus 20. Backward means what? I am going back. So it become minus. Forward means what? Plus. So the answer is plus 20. Okay. 150 meter below the sea level. See, the ground is there. Below the sea level is what? Minus. Okay. Above the sea level means plus. Below. Please see this word below. See, after seeing this, I am going to find out whether it is a plus or a minus. So forward means plus 20. Below means minus 150. Just you write the number alone, it is enough. Okay. Now donate. Donate means I am giving. Okay. Donate rupees 75. So total amount I am having, and I am donating to 75 to someone means what? Minus 75. Okay. Suppose if I am getting means it is plus for me. I am giving to someone. So what is that? Minus 75. Okay. Now listen. Now listen. Remove 4 cups. Add means plus. Remove means what? What does mean by remove? 4 cups means minus 4. Okay. Bought 2 dozen bananas. Bought 2 dozen bananas. See, you know that 1 dozen is equal to how much? 12. If 2 dozens means what? 2 into 12, which is what? 24. So listen, bought. So I can get. So what is that? Plus 24, 2 dozen. So for the 2 into 12, 24. Next, consumed 2 liters. Consumed means what? Minus. Consumed. See, wrote and consumed. These are that minus. So minus 2 is the answer. Can you clear this? Can you clear this, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Listen. I said in the introduction class itself, write the absolute value of minus 200. Listen, there is no negative in the absolute value. So when I am writing the absolute value of minus 200, what is my answer? Listen, the absolute value of minus 200, you have to write in the modulus. So once if you remove in this, you can get the positive answer. The number never changed. The number is as it is. Okay. See here, the negative I can make into positive. Positive means positive only. So for that, listen, the absolute value of 89 is 89. One second, children. 89 is 89. Okay. Can you understand this? Now I am going to identify the smallest integer. Listen, what is the smallest integer here? All in the negative sign and this 18 in the positive. Okay. Minus 13, 18, minus 14, minus 113, minus 139. Okay. So this is a positive integer. So it will not come. Okay. Because they are asking the smallest integer. So you are going to compare this minus 13 or minus 14 or minus 113 or minus 139. So listen, which is the smallest one here? Listen, which is the smallest one? Is it minus 13 or minus 14, minus 113 or minus 139? Which is the smallest here? Listen, minus 139 is the smallest. Okay, listen. So the answer is what? Minus 139. This is minus 139 is the smallest integer. Okay. Now here 0 when compared to the, listen, here I want to say, listen, 0 when you are comparing with positive integer is greater. 0 when you are comparing with negative integer, 0 is a greater. Can you understand this? 0 when you are comparing with the positive integer, which is greater here? Positive integer is greater. Same thing, 0 when you are comparing with the negative integer, 0 is a greater. So here they are asking the smallest integer, so 0 also never comes. Okay. Now I am going to find out this minus 11, minus 45, minus 54, minus 21. So which is the smallest here? So the smallest number is minus 54. So the smallest integer is what? Minus 54. See, once if you thorough in this concept, ascending and descending is very easy for you children. So thorough this concept. Next, I will move on to the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. What is mean by ascending? Small to big. Okay. And I can use the symbol less than symbol. What symbol I can use, children? Less than symbol. Okay, listen. See, you are having a 5 negative integers. So in this I am going to arrange a small to big. Listen, see, from this 5, which one is the smallest here? Minus 88 is the smallest, and the second one is minus 79, and third one is minus 57, and fourth one is minus 46, and the fifth one is minus 14. Is it clear? I arrange from small to big. Now I am going to write the answer. Listen children, minus 88 less than, okay, what is the second one? Minus 79, which is less than, third one minus 57 less than, and fourth one minus 46 less than, and what about the fifth one? Minus 14. Okay, is it clear children? Is it clear? First you arrange at the top of the number and write according to this. Okay. Now listen, come here. Here you are having a 2 positive integer and 3 negative integer. From small to big I am going to arrange. So from these through positive, so when you are comparing positive and negative, positive is a greater. So you are going to arrange from this 3. Okay, listen. Which one is the smallest here? 89, minus 89 or minus 106 or minus 46? Minus 106 is the smallest negative integer here. And the next one is what? Minus 89. And third one is what? Minus 46. Here you are comparing the positive integer. So fourth one is 46 and fifth one is what? 90. Okay, shall I write this? Listen, answer. What is the first one here? Minus 106. Got it? And less than, what is the second number here? Minus 89. Third one, minus 46. Okay, next. Next one is fourth 46 and last one is 90. Okay, less than. For the ascending order, you are going to arrange from small to big and you are going to write the less than symbol. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next one? Descending order. Okay, so in the descending order also they are given the negative integers, so you are going to arrange from big to small. Okay, see, listen, ascending small to big, descending big to small. Okay, descending you are going to arrange from big to small and you are going to write the greater symbol. What symbol you are going to write? Greater symbol. Is it clear, children? Listen. Minus 546 minus 233 minus 125 minus 48 minus 177. See, from this I am going to arrange big to small. Which one is the biggest here? Minus 48 is the biggest one. Okay. Next, which one is the biggest here? Minus 125. Third one is what? Minus 177. Fourth one is minus 233 and fifth one is minus 546. Is it clear, children? Now listen, arrange this. First one, minus 48. See, for the descending order, I am going to write the greater symbol. So, minus 48 is greater than minus 125, which is greater than minus 177, greater than minus 233, greater than minus 546, which is 546. Okay. So, listen, children. Now, shall I move on to the fourth sum? Same thing. I am going to arrange from big to small. Listen this. Here, minus 567, minus 878, minus 658, minus 789, minus 657. See, listen, children. Which is the greater number here? Which one is the greater here? See, minus 567 is greater and you are having two 600 range. Listen, 658 and minus 657, that is two negatives are there. So, compare here 58 or 57, which is the greater here? Minus 657 is greater. And next one is what? 658, that is minus 658. And which one is the fourth one? Listen, minus 789 and fifth one is minus 878. Now I am going to arrange this. Listen, children, listen. So, minus 567 is greater than minus 657, greater than third one what I arranged? Minus 658 and fourth one is minus 789, greater than fifth one minus I can write here itself minus 567. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Excuse me. Fifth one, what is that? Minus 878 is there. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? So, this is a big to small you are arranging in the descending order. Okay, children? Thank you. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.